The overhead load lifters are designed for lifting and moving pallets, skids, and crates with an overhead lifting crane. It includes an adjustable bail for keeping the load level when moving. Also, 3 height positions and a height adjustment pin are standard. Choose between adjustable or fixed forks models made with all welded steel construction and a painted finish. Read and understand the entire manual to ensure safe operation. Inspect the unit thoroughly. This unit is to be used with an overhead hoist with proper capacity. Use appropriate personal protection equipment at all times. This lifter is designed to be used in conjunction with closed bottom skids. Loads used with this lifter needs to be secure on the skid and symmetrically distributed on the skids. Insert the forks of the pallet lifter through the fork slots in the pallet until the forks are fully inserted. If the beam height needs to be adjusted, remove the height adjustment pin and either set the weight with the hoist hooked into the bail or by hand. After setting the height, replace the pin and install the safety pin. Models with the adjustable fork width option can set the fork width by loosening the retainer bolts on top of each fork and sliding the forks to the desired width. The forks must be set the same distance from the center in order to ensure proper balance. After the forks have been set, retighten the retaining bolts securely. Using the overhead hoist, pick up the pallet lifter and load slowly to check for load balancing and stability. If the load is not balanced, position the pallet on the forks and retry. Never extend the pallet past the edge of the forks. If the pallet's center balance is off enough, the bail stop pin may need to be repositioned. When trying to position the pallet lifter with a load, use the handles located on the rear of the unit. Never place your feet underneath the unit when positioning the load. To remove the pallet from the lifter, place the load on the ground and with the lifter slightly raised, remove the pallet lifter from the rear of the pallet. When the weight of the pallet has been removed from the forks, the pallet lifter bail will slide back and allow the lifter to balance when unloaded.